So for this project, I'm making a pair of cufflinks from a couple of silver sixpence pieces. The only other part I need is some cufflink fittings, which I got from Cooks and Gold. I'll leave the links to them in the description below. So I'm going to start by cleaning the surface with a wire brush. Once polished, I mark at the top and bottom of the coin to help align the cufflink fitting. When I'm happy everything is aligned, I start to solder. It's advised when soldering these fittings, you use either soft or medium solder to prevent damaging an internal spring. I'll be using easy solder, as well as focusing the heat primarily on the coin and the bottom of the fitting. So let the items clean in an acid bath, but don't fully submerge them as the spring could contaminate it. Which means there's a bit of hand cleaning to do. Once all the oxidization marks are removed, I go about polishing everything, first with Tripoli and then rouge. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this little project, and I'll see you next time.